guys, travel days here from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name is Adil. I'm originally from Morocco, living here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Today I'm taking the train, this train right here, business class, from Kuala Lumpur to Thailand, from Malaysia to Thailand, about six to 6.5 hours. At night, it's 10:45 now, so we're gonna be leaving in 10 minutes. Okay. Let me show you the train from inside. It's very, very nice. It's $38, 181 ringgit, okay, in KL Central in Kuala Lumpur. Let me show you inside. Alright, so this is my seat. It's quite nice. Very comfortable for 38 hours. Actually, the business class is very, very full, so it's good. I couldn't get the train during the daytime because it was all booked. So the only seat I could get is night train from Kuala Lumpur to the border town of Padang Besar, between Malaysia and Thailand. And look at that, there is a TV. You can watch something on TV, your own TV, and your own table right here. And then you have the electricity point right there. So this is cool. This is a business class from Kuala Lumpur to Padang Besar, border of Thailand and Malaysia. Okay, so this is cool actually. You see, there's like all kind of movies and stuff. Local TV actually. Okay, that's cool. Not bad. Actually, it's very, very comfortable. It's aircon, so we're gonna be here for like 6 hours and a half. And we're gonna arrive to the border at 4:30 in the morning. So the border, the Thai border is not open at that time, at 4:30 in the morning, because we're traveling at night. So we're gonna wait there for 2 hours until they open, and then I'm gonna go into Thailand by land. Okay. So this is land crossing from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Hat Yai, Padang Besar, Thailand, and then Hat Yai from there. The train is moving right now. Okay. I have made this trip before in 2022, but during the daytime. So you can watch that video if you want. You know, same train actually. It's the same train and everything, but it was during the daytime. I have done it twice in 2022, so I have 2 videos. If you want to go back and watch those to see the train during the daytime, because this is nighttime right now, as you can see. But it's full, like it's really, really full. Like even economy has a lot of people. So. Alright, so finally I'm in the train in Thailand, in Padang Besar, Thailand side. I already crossed the immigration and everything. So I already filmed this train before in 2022 when I first came here twice. So I took the same train to Hat Yai. So train is gonna move very, very soon. It's not crowded. It's about a little bit over $1 for an hour and a half. So let me show you the train. So yes, so I spent 5 hours in the train station because there was no train in the morning. I have to wait until 11 o'clock. I got here at this train station at 4:30 in the morning. So it's more than 5 hours that I spent. So it's not recommendable to travel by at night. Okay. So during the daytime, as soon as you arrive from Kuala Lumpur, this train is waiting, so you can board it and go straight to Hat Yai. But nighttime, you're gonna be here early in the morning. You have to wait at least 5 hours because the first train that leaves in the morning is at 11. It's this train here. So if you arrive here early, if you take the night train from Kuala Lumpur, you will be waiting for a few hours. Okay, so hopefully the train will move soon because there is no aircon. It's only fans. As you can see, it's only fans. So when the train moves, then it's going to be a lot more air, fresh air. Okay. To Hat Yai. Welcome to Hat Yai. I haven't been in this city for almost 2 years. Okay, so finally I'm here. Let's go out. I'm so hungry. I need to eat some food. All right, I met an old friend. This guy, I filmed him on YouTube in 2022, and he works here in the train station. So I met him again. Wow. Amazing. I saw him here because he drives taxi, so I recognized him because I filmed him before here in Hat Yai, outside on the main road. So I was like, oh, that guy looks familiar, and then he was smiling. He recognized me. Okay. Yeah. All right, awesome. Some old friends in Hat Yai. Oh, nice to see you. 2 years, yeah?
Yeah.
2 years I haven't seen you. You again on my video. Fantastic. Wow, what a small world. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, he has a bike, so he's gonna drive me. I know a hotel called Chachada near where I used to stay before, in that area. So I think I'm gonna go with him because I already know him. I talked to him before, when I was here. He gave me a lot of information and stuff like that. He's very, very friendly. So I'm just gonna stick to him. Alright, so I want to eat, so I'm outside of the train station. Yeah, the city, Robinson, the mall. I remember this town. I've been here twice already, so my friend is right there. I want to eat. I know there is a restaurant right over there. So I haven't had nothing since last night. And I haven't slept that much, okay? And I'm really tired and hungry. So I'm gonna eat and my friend doesn't have a car, he only have a bike. So but I don't have many bags. Hopefully everything will fit, okay? I eat first, yeah? Alright, welcome to Hat Yai. I know there is a restaurant right over there. I have eaten at last time. This is the mode of transport, the tuk-tuk they have. They want to charge me 100, but I told him only 30 or 40 baht. Because I know the prices, but he said he has a tuk-tuk, his friend has a tuk-tuk, but he doesn't have no customers, so I can take the whole tuk-tuk for myself, but I said no, it's too expensive. I can just take a bike. I know the prices in Thailand. I have been here way too many times. I'm not gonna pay like triple the price just because he doesn't have no customers. He doesn't want to wait for other passengers. So I told him it's okay, don't worry about it. So, but I'm gonna go with the other guy's motorbike, okay? I know there is a restaurant here. Welcome to Hat Yai in Thailand. Everybody's looking at me. I remember I ate at this restaurant right here. That's the train station, of course, right there. And then there is a mall right in front of it. Okay, here is the restaurant I ate at. I remember the food was good. Actually, there's like 2 or 3. Like nasi padang in Indonesia. Something like that, But like Thai food, which is really good. And here also, I am so hungry. Have lamb. This is lamb? Kambing?
No.
Huh? Lembo. Oh, beef. Okay, beef. Beef. Okay, okay.
เอาไข่ปลาครับ
Okay, cool. So you see, like, it's very close to Malaysian food, like that. Okay.
เนื้อแดงเก็บตัวด้วย3อย่างนะ
Let's eat something. I am so hungry. Maybe this beef here, like beef soup or something. All right. So this is the food, the beef soup. I've tried this one before. It's so nice. I ordered the fresh egg. And I got some rice. They always give you some cucumber, and I got a bottle of water. I'm so hungry. My first meal since Malaysia. Okay, that looks so good. Okay, let's eat. Okay, so I took a tuk-tuk from near the train station to the hotel that I want to stay in. Okay, I don't want to stay here in the middle of the town here. You know, I like it quiet. Where I stayed last time when I was here, it was nice and quiet, and there's some nice restaurants there that I liked and everything. So I'm gonna go back there. So this is the tuk-tuk. This is like $2 less than no. This is like about $1.50. Okay, let me show you Hat Yai. Look at that, so cool, beautiful city. Alright, travel days here. First day here in Hat Yai in the hotel. I want to show you the room. I slept for a few hours when I came. I was really tired because I didn't sleep at all last night. So this is my hotel room in Hat Yai city for $15. Let me show you. Nice big TV. Aircon is nice. The room is big, clean, big bed. Look at that. I like it. 2 tables there. There is a window there. Okay. It's almost nighttime now. Toilet's nice and big. Shower. Okay, so it's very decent. I like it a lot. For $15. Remember the hotels in Indonesia also for about $15-20. But here hotels are bigger. Than the ones in Indonesia. And they also have a fridge here. Most of the hotels in Indonesia do not have fridge. And this is outside. It's already night time. It's about almost 7:30, almost 8 o'clock, about that. Okay. So I slept for like 4 hours, about 4 hours, 4.5. And I am super hungry. I need to eat. I'm gonna go out. Let's go. So this is my hotel, Chachara Hotel, for like $15. It's not in the center of the city, but it's a very nice area where there is a lot of restaurants, coffee shops and stuff. As you can see, I filmed here before, 2 years ago. I didn't stay in this hotel, but I was staying in a hotel right there, not far from here, and I was walking here and I filmed here. That's how I knew about this hotel. And I remember the price was good. So I came here. If I stayed in the middle of the town, I would have paid more. So here is better. I like these nice, quiet Thai neighborhoods. They're very nice, very nice, like green and clean, and so I like them. I remember there was a restaurant here, I think. But when I was coming back, I saw a coffee shop. So I'm trying to remember where that coffee shop is. All right, Hat Yai at night. Look at that, 7-Eleven. Nice and quiet. But I want to eat. Oh wow, so much food on the streets. I remember this street. Look at that, like the roti canai. Awesome. That's my friends. I knew a guy before. I met a guy before last time I was here, and that's his business. That's his massage place right there. But I'm not sure he's there. I'm just gonna continue looking for food. I really love these fruit shops that they have. Look at that. So much fruits. Mangoes, pineapple, bananas, watermelons, jackfruits, durian. So cool. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna eat here. This guy is bugging me. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Okay. Alright, so this is a nice place. It has a lot of seafood. Look at that. For like $2, $3 per dish to start with. Okay. So I've known this place from before. Last time I was here, I passed by this place. I think I filmed it a little bit, so I remember it. But good thing about it is that they have aircon, and it's at the corner of the streets. He has aircon. They cook outside on the main road. I like it. Look at that. That's the kitchen right there, and this is the aircon area. Quite nice and clean. All right, so my tom yum with the seafood. It's shrimp and fish, and then I have some eggs and rice, fried eggs and rice. Look at that, that looks so good. I think the whole meal is gonna come back to like $4 because I'm having a bottle of water with it. So let's eat. Welcome to Hat Yai, Thailand. Now look at that, pieces of fish and shrimp and vegetables. So good. I love it. I'm loving the food here. So good. Fish, egg, rice, and tom yum. Wow, it's so delicious. Really good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's so good. It's so delicious. I haven't had this taste for a long time. Even if there are so many good Thai restaurants in Malaysia, but the food here is just special. So I'm really enjoying it. I'm having some dinner. Hello, he's very friendly. Alright, so the food was really good. Oh my god, it's like $4 for a big bowl of tom yum soup, seafood. It has shrimp and it has fish. So it's really good. And then eggs, rice, and bottled water for $4. So good. I'm tired, I'm gonna go to sleep. First day in Hat Yai.